guys, recently I ordered an amazing product from Amazon and I'm really in love with it. Now let me introduce a Floya Q3 humidifier. As you can see, it's a small thing and you can use it in a humid area. So basically you can use it from 41 Fahrenheit up to 122 Fahrenheit, and the area should be not bigger than 1500 cubic feet. Now, as you can see, it's really light, the size is really small. So, in order to turn it on, this one, you are supposed to plug it here, and then you are supposed to just push the button. If you see the blue lights, it means that it's turned on. And here it has a tank where it saves the water there. But it has one important thing. So, when you turn it on, and it is time to change the water, it will have a yellow light here, which means that it turned off automatically. And now you are safe and you don't need to worry about it. You just need to change the water from the tank, and that's it. Let's again one more time. So this thing is really energy saving, and it saves energy, so it wastes only 23 watts per hour, which means for using for 24 days, it will waste only 0.55 K energy. I think this is amazing. And as you can see, it's small, so it's 5 and 7, 5 and 7, and 10 and 2 the size, and its weight is only 1.9 pounds. So it's really easy to move from places. And as for the voice, if you think that you can use it for night because it's loud, actually no, it's not loud, it doesn't bother you, so you just can use it per night and it's fine, it will do its job and you will sleep well and you will have a nice environment. I believe you're gonna fall in love with this thing, so just buy it and you'll be happier.